morning, Queen's family. Welcome to our channel. Today we're doing Golden's back to school unboxing from Shein Kids. So we're going to open up and we're going to take a look and see what's in here.
Wow. Yeah, Mom.
So I have 10 items and we're going to go through each one so I can let you know the prices and the sizes. So the first one we have Shein Kids. Wait. We're going to open up and do this. Wait.
No.
I know, hold on. Let's open this. Here, take it out. Take it
I
out.
got.
What is it?
Ooh.
Pants. Oh, it's a two-piece. So this is a two-piece set. And this two-piece set
And this one
is a 4T.
for.
And it was $3.75. So two-piece shirt and pants.
And
And this is a 4T and it was $3.75.
yeah.
The first outfit.
And
Which one? This one?
Yes.
Let's see what this one is. Wait, hold on. And this is a
shirt.
4T dress.
And
Wait, baby. Hold on.
And
Okay, here, show me the dress.
you.
That's her dress.
Yeah.
And the dress is also 4T. It was $4.
And that.
What's this toy?
Yeah.
This is a learning toy.
Yeah.
Early education learning toy.
Yeah. Oh, that.
So we're going to have her, she can practice her words.
Oh,
You
yeah.
put the cards in and it announces the cards, the name, and the picture. It's also USB.
And
Wait, not yet, baby.
and
And it was $3.99. Okay, open it later. We got stuff to open. Here, what are you gonna open next? This?
no. Yeah. Oh, and on my bed.
That one? Okay, the next item is $4.
Yeah, Mom.
And it's a two-piece also.
Yeah. And
Here, show me a shirt. Here.
oh.
This is a shirt and short set. Show me the pants. Hold it up. There you go. And that was a 4T.
Yeah. I got a toy.
Okay, yeah, that's the later. Let's open this. Here, you take it out. Here, it's yours. You do it. What is it? This is her back to school shirt set. This is also a two-piece. It was $4.
What is it?
And it says pre-K, watch out here. Watch out, baby. Pre-K, watch out, here I come. This is also a two-piece set.
Yeah.
And here's the matching pants.
This. Yeah. I want.
Okay, we're gonna play with that later.
I want it on me.
Okay, wait. Come here. Get back up here. Come on.
I want it.
Here, open this. You open it. What is that? Dress? Ooh, it's a dress.
And a pants.
And this is, has bears and cherries. This is a dress. And this is also, $3.50. This is all 4T. All her things are going to be 4T, 5T. This was $3.50. Here, you open that one. Open that.
Okay.
What is that? Dress? Oh, yeah. This is a 4T dress. Has hearts on it. This is the front. This is the back.
Yeah. And then why not?
Let's see what else we have. Okay, you want to do it? And this is another dress.
Yes.
And that's also a 4T. All of her items are 4T.
One,
This is the
one,
dress.
that.
It's a butterfly. This is the back. This is the front.
Yeah. What's that?
I don't know. I don't remember.
It's yours, honey.
Nope, that's a dress.
Oh, yeah.
And this is also a dress.
Yeah, it's a very black.
And that was
It was
$4.99.
yeah.
All of her items
It
from
does.
Shein Kids.
It does.
Are you ready for back to school? Ready to go to? It's her first time in school. It's not really back to school. It's her first time going to school. So she's now all ready for school. These are all her dresses. Here, give Mommy that. Show them your dress. This one has bears and cherries on it. And it's her first day of school fit. The shirt. And the matching shorts.
Wow.
Yeah, shorts.
Mommy, you.
What? And your learning toys. Wait, not right now. We gotta put back. This one is. Oh, it's USB, so it's not battery. It's USB powered. Here's the cord. And you just simply wait.
On it.
Put the card in. Hold on, Mommy.
Like a piglet. Oh yeah.
Wait.
Hello. Let's play now.
Yeah. A pig.
Okay. And you just put the card in.
Please insert the card again.
Okay, wait.
Dog.
And it just, as you see, it announces the name and gives the name of it and shows the picture so she can learn her letters, words. And it has supposed to be 200 plus cards, front and back, so it'll help her with her words. And it shows the picture.
Mommy.
Okay, what, baby?
Mommy.
Wait, we gotta put it back in here. Here, show them your other clothes.
Mommy. I
Turn
want
it
toy.
off. Okay, here.
With this.
And her other outfit. This has a shirt
I
with
want.
the matching
I want
pants.
no toy.
All links to each item will be listed below in the bio. Everything was between $3, $4 each item. And here's dress. So all our links will be listed below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe, share, comment below. Bye.